All right. Good Friday morning, and this is a quickie. Um, actually, I don't see it, but we have some PPIs coming out today. We have some, I don't see it in the news here. Oh, there they are right there. What am I looking at? Manufacturing PMIs. So keep your eyes open, 9:45, everything gets released. Other than that, futures are pretty much the same. I'm not going to go through it. We got the S&P 500 flirting with the 4,000 resistance. We want to see it break that resistance. If you could see here, here's my trend lines. I have three of them. We were talking about this a couple of weeks ago. That's the high, the low, and this is the middle trend line. And I think that this is going to be the consolidation range that we stay within. We haven't quite come to that low yet. That low's got to be tested, and I think it just may very well be. But I believe that this is the trend we're going to follow up from here on in, barring any economic debacles. And we're looking for 40.18. I think that that might pose a resistance. We'll probably see that today. So really, that's about it. That's all I'm looking at, short of the long. That's what I'm going to watch. And actually, I'm probably going to be away from the computer today and just enjoy my Friday. So everybody calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.